Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off remove permissions if app is in use on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on apps. In here, we go down and then tap on an app that you want to change. So for example, I'm going to choose Adobe Acrobat. Then we go down and tap on remove permissions if app is in use. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.